Hello everyone, this is Mr. Whatling, the Head of Biology at Kimbolton School.
I'm Miss Ho, a biology teacher at Kimbolton School.
In this rapidly evolving landscape of education, the need for innovative and effective teaching methods is more pressing than ever. Biology as a subject is dynamic and multifaceted, demanding instructional approaches that go beyond traditional lessons and textbooks. As a department, with teachers coming from diverse cultural and instructional backgrounds, through this series of videos, we would hope to share our innovative teaching strategies. Hands-on activities and engaging experiments based on the approach of experiential learning we use in our lessons under the UK National Curriculum, specifically AQA, GCSE and A-Level. We hope to create an online community to initiate idea and knowledge exchange among biology teachers from different schools and countries. So feel free to share your practice in teaching certain biology subjects in the comments box below.
Before starting our first video on natural selection, you may wonder, why should we care about experiential learning in a classroom? Let's first look at some theoretical background of this educational approach. Experiential learning is a mode of learning advocated by Professor John Dewey to spotlight the unalienable relationship between experience and education by emphasizing the concepts of learning by doing and learning from experience. Professor David Kolb further developed the experiential learning cycle, which involves 4 stages of learning process. The first stage, concrete experience, meaning students having the actual experience. Second stage, reflective observation, meaning students reflecting on their experience. The third stage, abstract conceptualization, meaning students learning from their experience. And fourth, active experimentation, meaning students trying out what they have learned in new situations. Through this continuous cycle, effective and deep learning takes place. The benefits of adopting experiential learning in science classroom have long been documented, including enhancing students' learning interests and motivation, critical reflection skills, and social relations and group skills. A meta-analysis studies published in 2019 also examined 89 studies over a 43-year span and found that students experienced superior learning outcomes, with almost a half standard deviation higher than the traditional delivery techniques when experiential learning strategies were adopted. Therefore, by incorporating experiential learning approaches in teaching biology, we hope to foster effective and meaningful learning among our students.
Our upcoming videos will mainly focus on the implementation of these activities. And based on your classroom contexts, you can decide the teaching and learning sequence for your own students and incorporate them freely into the experiential learning cycle. In our department, we've been using these strategies very differently teacher to teacher.
We also want to point out that not all these experiential learning strategies are developed by our team of teachers. And we also believe that these strategies have been used by many teachers and educators under different settings. The major purpose for this series of videos is to share some experiential learning strategies that we all found particularly useful and effective in teaching biology in our classroom. If these amazing strategies are developed by you or someone that you know, please contact us for credits.
Please stay tuned, and we hope you will enjoy our upcoming series of videos featuring different experiential learning strategies that you could use in your own biology classroom.